When you're trying to refresh your content from an SEO perspective, what you want to do is you want to find the most important articles to refresh. And now how you do that is you can go into your search console within a specific time frame. I tend to use 6 months or a year. I try to look at which articles got the most amount of clicks, which ones got the most amount of impressions. Those are the ones I would try to focus in on first. I would also try to isolate the ones that are ranking between positions number 3 to 8, because that means that they're already on the first page. The content is good. Now, if you were to add more to it, if you were to make it better, it could potentially jump up spots. And then if it does, jumping up from position number 4 to number 3 is a way better jump than jumping from position 15 to 14. It's good that you went up to 14, but that jump is a lot more important because you're able to realize a lot more traffic and a lot more impressions that way. Hence, we try to isolate the ones that are ranking between 3 and position 8. That's where we'll get our first insights. Then we'll take it to Ahrefs, and I'll try to isolate all the pages, and I'll try to see which keywords are ranking within spots number 3 to 5 or 3 to 8. That will give me a pretty good list of keywords and a pretty good list of pages that I can go after. Now, from that point, we normally take it back to the client. We tell them what we're seeing from an SEO perspective. These are the pages which you want to work on for these reasons. They will help us prioritize the list that we gave them in terms of their business needs. Once it's prioritized, then we have a prioritized list of blogs that we want to revamp. Once we have that, what we'll do is we'll go into the blogs, we'll read the blog thoroughly, we'll read it from head to bottom and understand what the blog is trying to talk about, et cetera, et cetera. Then what we'll do is we'll take the title of the blog or some of the major keywords within the blog that are already ranking, and we'll put it into Google. We'll see what other pages are ranking for those types of terms. Then we'll start assessing all of those pages. We'll look at all the pages above it and we'll read it and we'll try to extract the headings. We'll try to extract some of the major points that they're making. We'll try to extract what structural things that they might have going on. Maybe they have a table, maybe they have an infographic that could contribute to rankings. And we'll start building out something that's called a content brief for the writer to contribute to. Once we've done that with probably 3 to 5 results, we'll take all the results and we'll take them into a tool like Ahrefs or SEMrush. And just for those exact URLs, we'll start extracting all their keywords. We'll see what are their best keywords. Once we've done that for 3 to 5 competitors, we should have a pretty good list of keywords that we can start adding to our content brief for now. Once we have gone through all the 3 to 5 pages that are competitors for their structure, as well as putting them through Ahrefs to get their keywords, the content brief will be ready. It will go to the client. The client will sign off on what we're suggesting needs to be added. Once that's done, it goes to our writer. The writer goes ahead and adds the sections that are needed or the keywords that are needed. And then once it's written, it goes back to the client for final review. And then we go ahead and we publish the changes. But that tends to be the process we take when we're revamping blogs.